Once a vision of pure fantasy, the Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, a name that made hearts race, lines so perfect, so futuristic, as if stolen straight from tomorrow. But now, rust had claimed it like a cruel, slow curse spreading across its body. Wheels sunk into the concrete floor, carbon fiber panels cracked and hanging loose, and that legendary deep blue color, it had long vanished beneath layers of dust, grime and decay. No one really knows how it ended up here. Some say a terrible crash, others whisper that the owner's dreams shattered, and he never came back. Whatever the truth, it was alone, forgotten, abandoned, like a dead dream left to rot. Then, one deep night, the rusted garage door creaked open. A man stepped inside. His name was Arif. In his hand, an old, worn toolbox. In his eyes, a strange, quiet light, as if he had come to meet a long-lost love. He said nothing. He simply turned on the light and stood there, staring at the ruined Bugatti for a very long time, as if he wanted to memorize every wound, every scar, every trace of pain on his old friend. That first night, Arif only cleaned. Gently, so gently, he wiped away the dust. He studied the rust. He took small photos. As if, before anything else, he needed to understand all the hurt his friend had suffered. Then the real journey began. Rust was ground away, rotten metal was cut out, fresh panels were welded in place, sparks from the welder lit up the entire garage like tiny stars. The sharp scream of the grinder, the soft whisper of sandpaper, the gentle spread of filler, all of it wove together into a strange living symphony of revival. Day by day, the Bugatti slowly began to remember who it was. After primer came the first coat of that iconic blue. Arif's hands trembled. He knew this wasn't just paint. This was the first breath of hope, the first light after endless darkness, then the clear coat and the first polish. Light bounced off the surface, spreading across the garage like laughter. It felt as if the whole room was smiling, smiling with joy. The final day arrived. Arif cleaned the racing seats, ran his fingers across the dashboard, turned on the lights. That futuristic display flickered back to life. The engine bay gleamed like a mirror. He stepped back, tears in his eyes. But a smile, even bigger, even deeper. The Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo was no longer abandoned. It had learned to dream again,